Zeno P.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's Sarah here, aka Zeno P. Ignore all of this. So I filmed this intro without the lashes on, and I noticed that my backlight was all in your face. So I decided to do it again. But this video is just to teach all my team curly lashes girls how to fix their false lashes easy peasy. Some of you may have given up on fixing for false lashes and you're like, lashes is not for me. I just put my mascara on because my natural lashes pushes the... Forget all of that. Today, we're going to change that. You heard? Yes, I'm going to teach you how to fix it. And without wasting your time, let's get into it. But first, wait. I want to show you very few things that I feel, for me personally, I must have if you want to slay your natural lashes. So the first thing you need is this curler, this lash curler. Yes, number one. Number two, you need this. Let me bring it up close. This. And the lash curler also, let me bring it up close. Everybody know what the lash curler is. Well, it's possible you may not have seen this before. So this to help put the natural lashes and the false lashes together. Alternative for this would be your fingers. Okay, they don't work the same, but if you do not have this or you don't know where to get this, an alternative would just be your fingers. Okay, but an alternative to this one, I don't know. If you ask me, now who I go ask? Next, you need your pair of tweezers. Forget it, even if you are team fix lashes with your hands, you need this. You go know why. What's up? What's up? What's up? And the next thing is this lash glue. I like to use any lash glue that has a wand, and if you don't have, and dries out clear too. So this one is from Classic Makeup USA. So I like to use this one. But if you do not have a lash glue that has a wand, but if it dries out clear, you can just use toothpick. I'll explain this in the video. And lastly, you need your pair of lashes. This is the one I used. It's from Navin Signature. I've had it for a while, so I deliberately used a lash that I've used previously so that it's relatable at the end of the day. Let's get into fixing this lashes. Let's slay our lashes team, curly black girls. So usually you curl up your eyes like this, but for curly lashes you have to turn it inversely like this. So this way, instead of curling, you actually straightening it. This is the action you do to curl up your lash, but to release it so that it's easier for you to fix your lashes, you turn it like this. So your hand is this way, and then you can uncurl. Let me call it uncurl. I need my mirror. So which of the eyes do I do? Okay, this one is more curly than this eye. So let's do this eyes. So you want to stick it like this and hold it for a bit. Can you see that? Sorry, I'm using my mirror. If you see me looking down, so you want to hold it like this. After a minute, you release. Did you notice that? Did you see? It's no more touching the eyelid. You repeat this. It's not just a one-time thing. See how my lashes comes down? Yes, you want to do this. Hold it, hold it, hold it. Can you see that? Can you see? So the next thing you want to do, this is why I said I like this kind of glue. I don't put my glue on the lash band. I apply it directly. So if you have very curly lashes, this should be your tip. And because it dries out transparent, it's easy. This is what you want to do. Applying the glue to the lashes doesn't work for me. See, ignore that noise. Ignore. It's not noise. They're having a conversation. It's just noise to me. So you let it dry down. Let it dry down a little. And I'm just bending it over like this. It's easier for me to fix when it's bent over. This is how you hold up the lash and fix, like this, not like this, from up. Okay, so I'll just fix it with my hands first. Can you see? There's nothing holding it. You want to use your tweezers, secure the end first. Secure the end, the middle, very close to your lash line as possible, and then this part. Can you see? Can you see that? Can you see how my lashes down are just there in gray? So you can pinch with your tweezer, you can pinch with your fingers. At this point, I'm going to pinch with my finger. Okay. So simple. And this is the point where you need this tool. So this iron part will be on your eyes, and then the other one, woo! So you just want to press. This helps to push it very close to your lash line and then merge it with your natural lashes so that you can't even see the demarcation. And boom, my eyes, it don't move. My eyes, I said it don't move. So I'm going to speed through this other one. Let's see. I won't be explaining you, just watch me do it. So this part, if you have a glue like this and then it doesn't have a wand, you can use toothpick. Toothpick works. You do the job, get the job done. So if you're in the process of doing your makeup like I am, you want to use your gel liner to cover the band. So I'm just using this gel liner. And that's because my lash is not even new and there are lots of fallouts on it from maybe previous use. So I'm just going to use the liner to cover it up and darken it. So yes, this is the final look how to fix your lashes, easy peasy for my team's very curly natural lashes girls. Okay, I hope you learned a thing or two and you're going to incorporate it and fix your lashes. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next one. Please like, share, subscribe. Stay blessed. Yeah. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Sarah here, aka Zeno P. If you're a new subscriber, welcome. If you're